Morning guys, I'm Bilal Moin. Mr. His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tariq is coming back from Suhar. So that side of expressway, he'll be very soon at that side of expressway. So I'm gonna show you live his convoy, and all guys are waiting that side to cheer him, to just say hi. And we'll see very soon this moment that new king of Oman, His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tariq, will be crossing us very soon. His Majesty is crossing us now. You can see one car, two car, and this is the third car. So new king of Oman, His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tariq, is crossing us now from the expressway, and we are covering this moment live from the expressway of Oman. So this is his first trip to Suhar, and here is helicopters also, and this is His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tariq is moving to his palace now. May Allah give him long life. Ameen summa ameen. So guys, just now we saw His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tariq just crossed us through expressway. May Allah give him Sehat Kamila and wisdom to keep the legacy of His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Saeed Al Muazzam. We all expect and Omani pray for his long life. Ameen summa ameen. So guys, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to have more updates. Thank you so much.